Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's get started with blending. Remember, these words this week, we're blending each individual phoneme. So some of these words have 4 and sometimes 5 phonemes. Here we go. T, a, p. Trap. B, a, d. Brad. K, a, k. Crack. D, I, l. Drill. F, e, n, d. Friend. I, z. Prize. B, a, k. Break. K, a, sh. Crash. T, a, v, o. Travel. Good. All right, listen carefully while I say 3 words, and then you repeat the words and tell me what sound you hear at the end of all 3 words. Enough, leaf, life. Ending sound is wig, flag, chug. Ending sound is g. Book, chalk, clock. Ending sound is k. Ball, doll, girl. Ending sound is l. Room, stem, team. Ending sound is mm. Good. Last set. Shrimp, ship, map. Ending sound is p. Good. All right. Now I'm going to say a word, and you are going to break it into phonemes. We have some that have 3 phonemes, and some that have 4, and 1, 2, 3 that have 5, okay? So it's important to remember that even though we have a blend like pr or tr, those are still 2 phonemes. Pr would be p, r, and tr would be t, r. So we still got to make sure we're breaking those into each individual phoneme. Here we go. The first word is pray. P, r, a. Truck. T, r, a, k. Brave. B, r, a, v. Free. R, e. Grump. G, r, a, m. P. Last one, print. Print. Good job. I know that one feels a little challenging, but the more we practice, the easier it will get. Okay, get your fists ready. We're going to do some phoneme substitution. The first word is grade. Change gr to br. Braid. The next word is bride. Change br to dr. Dried. The word is fry. Change fr to cr. Cry. The word is praise. Change pr to gr. Graze. The word is dream. Change dr to cr. Cream. Good. All right. Now we are going to start with the word part and add the beginning sound to see what we can make. Now remember, all of the word parts that they're giving us now are not the rhyme, but they're the R sound, r, and then the rhyme. And we're just adding the very first beginning sound. So in a word like ridge, if we add b to the beginning, we're saying b, ridge, bridge. Okay, here we go. The word is rees. Add f to the beginning. Rees, freeze. Good. The word is rend. Add f to the beginning. Friend. The word is rise. Add p to the beginning. Prize. The word is ramp. Add k to the beginning. Cramp. The word is rive. Add d to the beginning. Drive. The word is raid. Add t to the beginning. Trade. The word is rain. Add d to the beginning. Drain. And the last word is ravy. Add g to the beginning. Gravy. Good. All right, now we're going to remove that beginning sound. So we had a word like gravy, and we said g, gravy. Now if we took away the g sound, we're left with ravy. Here we go. The word is crook without k. The word is rook. The word is drove without d. The word is rove. Good. The word is grow without g. The word is row. The word is break without b. The word is rake. The word is tried without t. The word is ride. Good job today.